Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. New to Asana and wondering how to organize your tasks or manage team projects? In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to use Asana step by step. Perfect for beginners in 2025. Asana is a project management tool that helps individuals and teams organize tasks, track progress, and collaborate in one place. Whether you are working solo, in a small business, or as part of remote team, Asana makes sure nothing slips through the clicks. Then go to asana.com and sign up for free account or log into your existing account. Once logged in, you will see the dashboard. This is your home base. Here you will find home, your overview, my tasks, everything assigned to you, inbox, notifications, and updates. Click create and select project. You can choose list view like a to-do list, board view like Trello using cards, timeline for Gantt style planning, calendar great for visualizing due dates, name your project like marketing plan, then select your workspace, then click continue. Now click create project, click add task, give it name like new task, and set assignee due date, add tag, date people, ID, attachment, even comments. Use selection to group tasks like to do, in progress, and done. This keeps your workflow clean and organized. You can easily collaborate by assigning tasks, adding followers, or leaving comments. Asana updates everyone in real time, plus the inbox keeps you in the loop on anything you are tagged in. You can even integrate tools like Google Drive, Slack, Zoom, Dropbox, and more. Choose to the calendar view to see tasks by date. Perfect for planning launches, meetings, or campaigns. Want to see the big picture? Use timeline to map out the whole project visually. Drag and drop tasks to shift deadlines. This is great for keeping everything on track. Here are some quick pro tips. Use keyboard shortcuts like Tab, Q to quickly add tasks, set rules to automate actions, add milestones to track key goals, use portfolios to manage multiple projects together, and that's your beginner guide to using Asana in 2025. If you if this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe and drop a comment. If you want a full tutorial on Asana automations or team setup, stay organized and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.